Yo, this Cord Talk You, and I'm back with another lock video. Today, y'all see me. I'm gonna try to blunt some more of these ends. I've already done some, but you see these. Yeah. And y'all gonna do this. So the tools I'm using is this. This is a 7.5. Yep. So let's get to it. So how I get started on, you see how this end is looking? So what I'm gonna do is not just put this in. Oh, I'm putting this in. You see how the hair is going in and out? And it's going through my fingers. So what I'm doing is going in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And all I'm ultimately doing is rolling my fingers together and tucking the ends inside the lock itself. And voila. So, and I'm not doing it hard because I want it to still form. So let's do, you see this one? So we're gonna go from this to this. So let's do it again. So I'm gonna twist it a little bit right here. Boom, to the shaft, like towards this way, because I can feel where the thickness change. So again, let me go in and do this. I'm twisting it, I'm feeling it starting to knot up. So, and the more you do this, the more it'll come natural to you just to feel, oh, it's starting to knot up, so let me move up. So now I'm gonna penetrate the crochet needle higher in the shaft of the little lock that's trying to form because it's still not locked all the way. And I'm just bringing the hair in. Now this is the way I do it, and it works because I did the back like this, as you can see. But then boom, look, boom. So let's do this one. Again, you see this? From this to this. I'm gonna take this needle, I'm pointing it down. I'm gonna stick it in through here. Sorry, stick it in through here. Bring my fingers like this, and I'm pulling, pulling. You see how I took that? Pulling, pulling some more. Ooh, pulling some more, pulling some more. And you see how I'm going slow, and I'm twisting. I'm still going in. Now I took it out, I'm gonna go down a little bit lower, because I feel where it might be thin parts. So, going in, going in. You know, we're getting somewhere. So now I want to start, I feel it just kind of thin right here. So I'm gonna start right here. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm gonna speed it up, because I kind of gotta basically do it. So if I speed it up, and I'm still, let you know this ain't sped up intentionally, but this is me going fast. Boom. So I'm gonna finish up doing a couple of more. I may leave some like this. I thought it was kind of cute, but who knows? I'm gonna do a few more and I'll be back. See my finished product. You see? Boom, about to black out. I didn't want to go the ends too hard, so I have a few more to do, basically finished, but this is finished. No more crazy ends. I still got this one, but you can see where I went from. And yes, I lost a little length, but I'd rather have this than this, because it was looking real crazy getting out the bunny in the morning. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial on how to blunt your ends. If you want to see more lock videos, let me know. Jump down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is Cord Talk You. I hope you learned something today. Peace. Talk to me nice, saying I'm a love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like, say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by, yeah, if you leave I go. Love me your body, baby, love me your body, baby, as you're whining your body.